How to fix reboot and select proper boot device on Windows. 1. Reset up proper boot disk in BIOS. Hint, check whether your hard drive is enabled and adjust legacy boot. 2. Check all your hardware connections. 3. Create a bootable drive to repair your system in Windows Safe Mode. Plan B, run these commands in command prompt section. bootrec/fixboot bootrec/fixboot. Plan C, try restoring an EFI partition on the boot drive. Run these commands in command prompt section. Disk part list disk select disk X create partition EFI size equals 500 format FS equals FAT32 quick assign letter equals F list volume put X /Windows/SF. Plan D, reinstall Windows. On your boot device. Run chkdskx/r command in command prompt section.